Eufy have just released their new C-series range of cameras, but what are they and who are they targeted at? Hey, I'm Paul, admin of the world's largest independent eufy dedicated Facebook group, Eufy Security Cam Owners. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at the C35 4-camera range with a HomeBase Mini. This is one of Eufy's latest range of products, the C-series. Within this range, there are the C35s, there's a couple of other cameras, an indoor camera and another outdoor-indoor camera. These cameras are aimed at a particular type of user, so throughout the video we'll have a look at what we get in the box, how they work and if they're the right camera for you. Okay, so let's see what we get in the box. So in there we get 4 cameras, one of those I've already set up, which is why it's missing currently. Here we have the HomeBase Mini, which is a tiny device, looks like a hockey puck. Connection on the back there. So that's a HomeBase Mini, 4 cameras. And then the rest of the box contains a power cable for the HomeBase Mini, some mounting plates. If you want to screw those to the wall, these are magnetic, which we'll go into later. A warning sticker, and some pivoting mounts. These are the magnetic ones. I'll show you those shortly. So as mentioned, today I'll be reviewing the C35 4-cam kit, which includes 4 C35 cameras and 1 HomeBase Mini. Other variations of this system are 2 C35 cameras and a HomeBase Mini, or just 1 standalone C35 camera. If you buy this as a standalone camera, it can currently connect to the HomeBase 3, but not the HomeBase 2, the NVR system, and it can also be used on its own connected directly to Wi-Fi using a memory card in the bottom. Other cameras in this range, which I don't have to review at the moment, are the C31 indoor camera, which looks a little like the S350, and the C38 here, outdoor camera, well, outdoor and indoor camera. Again, not got this to review, but once I do, I'll be posting a video on those as well. So, one of the most unique features about the C35 camera is the way it attaches to a wall or a fence or wherever you want to put this. The idea behind this is that it's aimed at people that don't want to drill holes in the walls, or maybe they rent and they're not allowed to drill holes, or they want a really quick solution to put a camera in a location that may be difficult in other circumstances. So, as well as the cameras in there, we get these mounting brackets, which once mounted to the surface, the camera can be angled at pretty much any angle you need to go. So quite a way down, can look up obviously, and left and right. They also have a flat bottom on there, so if your aim is to put this on, say, a desk, you'll see they sit nicely without rolling around on there. So it's either on a desk, or you can use the magnetic mount. Now in the box we also get these, which allow you to screw the mount to a wall or a fence. So that would be screwed onto the surface and then the camera would click onto there. So you don't have to use the magnet. It's handy if you don't have to drill, but there is an option to also attach that via a screwing method. So on the back of this is magnetic, and here are some demos of things I've attached it to, just to demonstrate how it can be attached and the angle you can achieve with the camera. So in my opinion, the mount on this is unique and I think is the right way forward. To be able to put a camera wherever you like without any damage to property walls or anything like that is a big step forward. The other advantage of these is if you need a quick solution to film a particular area, if you can find something metal nearby, you can literally just take this out, stick it to the wall and it'll do its thing. Here's some spec on the C35 cameras. They have what's called pure color night vision, which isn't as good as the S3 Pro Max Color Vision, but it is better than most cameras in ambient light. If you don't have the spotlight on or the IR, and there's a fair amount of light outside, say street lights, it will give a good color night vision like this. They're also IP67 rated, weatherproof rated, so these can be indoor or outdoor. They have an inbuilt alarm and two-way audio, so using automations, if someone is in an area they shouldn't be, you can get these cameras to trigger an alarm on the camera itself. They have a 130-degree field of view, which is pretty wide. Compared to my E330, which is currently looking out of a window, you can see that they are pretty similar. They do cover about the same range of width of view on there. They have a 6,400 milliamp battery. These can be charged manually via USB, or they are solar panel compatible. So if you've got one outdoor and it's within direct sunlight or within some sort of sunlight, you can use that to power these indefinitely. And as mentioned, they can be Wi-Fi only, HomeBase 3 connected, NVR connected. Currently not the HomeBase 2, but any of those other three methods, they do work with those. If you're going for Wi-Fi connection only with no HomeBase, the maximum storage you can put in there is 256 gigabytes, which give you a few days of recording on there. Now the resolution on these is 1080p, which isn't the highest. Eufy cams go all the way up to 4K. There's some 3K and 2K ones in there, but these particular cameras are 1080p. So they won't be for everybody. Depending on the situation and where you need a camera to be looking, if it's in a room or a short garden or a shortish garden, they will be ideal. If you're looking to detect people and recognize faces, 10, 15 meters, you might struggle with something like this. As I mentioned, these are really designed for a quick fix to look at an area, maybe temporarily need to look at an area, or you just want to put cameras up with no damage or screw holes to the property. Just remember, 1080p does mean that you are going to lose some definition if the subject you're trying to look at is far away. You can also set activity zones on these, so within the Eufy app you can draw a box where you want the camera to notify if there's movement, and if there's an area you don't want notifications, you can leave that part without a box. They're also Alexa and Google compatible. Now in the app I saw a feature in there which when clicked says that it's not currently available, and that feature is called On The Go. Now I think that's related to what's been printed in the advertisement for this particular model, which they call off-grid connection. So the way I understand that is, provided you set this up at home and connect it to Wi-Fi or the HomeBase, you can then disconnect the camera from the Wi-Fi, take it away, say going camping or something like that, and then reconnect this to a mobile hotspot or mobile router, and it will continue to do its thing. Because these are so portable and easy to attach things, I think one of the aims of these is to be able to use them away from home. If your car is steel, so some modern cars are aluminium, obviously not magnetic, but if your car's steel, for example, and you're camping, you can stick that to the door of your car to watch over, provided you've got a Wi-Fi signal on your phone or 5G, you can then connect this via the hotspot. And of course, like all Eufy cameras, these are subscription free. And I've got to say they are one of, if not the easiest Eufy cam to set up. Standard setup in the Eufy app, press plus, find the camera, add it, and within 20 seconds the entire system was set up. So not only is it easy to set this up on the Eufy app, the actual physical setup of these is by far the easiest, and because of the magnetic mount, no drill holes, provided you've got something metallic, magnetic nearby, stick it to the surface and bend it into the position you need. And now onto the HomeBase Mini. So as mentioned, you can attach the camera or connect the camera to an NVR, a HomeBase 3, to Wi-Fi, or to its own HomeBase Mini. This is only compatible with the C series range of cameras, so although the cameras can be connected to other home bases, you can't connect other Eufy cams to this HomeBase unless they're in the C series range. This HomeBase comes with an 8GB storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB by use of a memory card in the back of the HomeBase. If you connect the cameras to this HomeBase, it will give you then the AI feature, which is included on the HomeBase 3 and the HomeBase 2. So things like human recognition, vehicle recognition, pet recognition. And it also allows cross-camera tracking. So if you get the 4-camera kit, you've got 4 of these, the HomeBase is sat in the house. If these cameras are nearby each other and a subject walks past one and then past another and then past the 3rd camera, this HomeBase will then create a cross-camera tracking story which will go between each camera as you view it, a bit like a movie. You could go up to 4 cameras with that. So my final thoughts on this system, I think it's absolutely brilliant. The ease of setup on this is like nothing I've ever experienced with the eufy cam. The app is pretty similar for all cameras, but once you've set this up in the app, actually moving the cameras around to where you need them is so easy thanks to the magnetic mount. Provided you've got something metallic nearby, a metal object, a fence or a car even, something like that, you can stick these cameras wherever you like without having to line it up and drill and things like that. So absolutely perfect for somebody who's maybe renting a house where the landlord doesn't allow drilling, a student who lives in a shared accommodation and wants a small camera just to keep an eye on their own room. And they are small enough really to hide away. So if you suspect somebody's stealing your food out the fridge, one of these could maybe in the fridge. I don't know. Don't have to go down that cold, but overlooking something just to prove your point, basically. And people that don't want to damage their own property and mess around drilling walls and things, absolutely perfect for that. Just bear in mind they are 1080p, so the quality isn't as good as you could get with some eufy cams, but if the subject is close enough, they are good enough to identify if you need to. For me, the ability to move these cameras where you need to, they're not a permanent fixture. So as well as being very versatile and being able to move where you need them to and readjust if the angle isn't quite right, it is really a quick fix solution. So let's say you're having some experience of vandalism in the area. Something like this, if it's out of view of a camera, you can literally pull it off the wall and put it where it needs to be to see what's happening in the area that's got the trouble. Currently, these cameras are priced in the UK at the, let's have a look, the 4-cam kit is currently priced at £249, so that includes 4 cameras and the HomeBase Mini. The 2-cam kit that comes with the HomeBase Mini is currently £169, and the standalone C35 camera is currently £69. eufy are always putting offers through Black Friday, Cyber Monday and that sort of thing, so always keep an eye, if you're interested in this system, keep an eye on the prices. Also, if you join our Facebook group, eufy Security Camera Owners, we do have discount codes on there, so keep an eye out for that. They are regional, so depending on in the world, whereabouts in the world you are, will depend on what kind of codes we put through there. So any questions on the C35 system or any other eufy cam, feel free to drop a comment in the comment box below. If you like this kind of content and want to be notified of other new eufy camera reviews, please consider subscribing. And I recommend you join our Facebook group, eufy Security Camera Owners, on which there are currently 49,000 members, all of which have a lot of knowledge about eufy cams. So if you've spotted another eufy cam that you might like, jump on there, ask someone's opinion. They are true real-life users and they will give you a true opinion on there. So thanks for watching. I'll be reviewing new cameras as they come out, so keep an eye out for those, and I'll see you soon.